food.
You want spicy?
No. Not Thai spicy. That's too much.
แบงค์105 บาท คนกินคนละคนเจ๊เขาหัวเราะนะขอเชิญครูไปทำบุฟเฟ่ต์ผัดไทยทั้งวันจะให้เฮียไปขายของต่อแทนครูวันเสาร์ที่เท่าไหร่นะไม่รู้อ่ะมันบอกขอเชิญมาวันเสาร์มึงก็ต้องเสียวันอาทิตย์ไม่เสียก็คือว่าเรานั่นนะผัดไทยร้านเราจะหยุดวันเสาร์ตรงที่วันเราจะไปนี่แบบนั่นแหละพอตรงเนี่ยวันเสาร์นี่ไปไหนวันเสาร์ที่เราร้านกันร้านของเก่าก็เชิญหมูหนา
Yeah, that's a good looking pad thai.
ถั่วงอกอะวะ
Freshly made. So that was some good pad thai, man. So yeah, you just walk into a random market and get some of the best pad thai here. Might get me sick, but it was delicious. Welcome to MBK. Busy as ever. Well, I'm just looking for electronics. I'm not sure which way I should go, but
This Mrs. Madu Manisara,
okay. So I bought my first item. Bought a tripod. Well, I have one, but it's only like 20 centimeters tall, so that's pretty useless. Like there were a bunch of guys like, oh, can I help you? Can I help you? And there was like one, he was practically sleeping, didn't talk to me at all. That was the one I went for, the least annoying one. So yeah, I just hate it when people go, you need something, I don't need something, I don't need it. You need customers, I don't need you. Thinking, I just hate it when they call you like a dog. It just goes on and on. And it's all the same. So we've just been to 3 stores. They all had the same case. They all asked for 900, 950 and 1,000 baht for just a case. Like that's about the same as I paid for my case, the case that I had, with gadgets included. This is an empty case and I bought mine in Europe, so this is insane. I thought this was a cheap place. Apparently it's not. Not anymore. Well, at first I was like, yeah, I'm done for the day, but I decided I'm not done for the day. And yesterday we went up high. Today we are gonna step it up just a few more. So let's have some more fun. I actually have to go buy a shirt with long sleeves, so I'm gonna get rid of this. Let's go to Siam first, and then I'll go to the rooftop bar. Oh, nice and quiet. Fucking lovely. Well, it's almost closing time, so I'm about to go home.